Hey everyone, how are you all? Hope you are doing well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to give you latest and an important update from JNTUH about attendance requirement for all B.tech and B.pharmacy students for 2021 to 2022 academic year or 2020 to 2020 academic present situation. So JNTUH attendance requirement for B.tech R18 regulation students, they have given a very important notification. So let's take a look. A student shall be eligible to appear for the semester end examinations if the student acquires a minimum of 75% of attendance in aggregates of all the subjects or courses, excluding attendance in mandatory courses like environmental science, Constitution of India, intellectual property rights, and gender sensitization labs for that semester. 2 periods of attendance for each theory subject shall be considered if the student appears for the midterm examination of the subject. This attendance should also be included in the fortnight uploaded of attendance to the university. So they are saying that in order to attend end semester examination for this academic semester, then you should have 75% of attendance in order to attend the end semester examination, including midterm examination also they are considered. Next, the attendance of mandatory non-credit courses should be uploaded separately to the university. So in B.tech, there are some subjects for that they don't put credits. So for that also they are attendance mandatory. Okay, separately they are going to consider that attendance as well. And shortage of attendance in aggregates up to 10%, 65 and above and below 75. So they are saying that in order to attend end semester examination, you should have 75%, minimum 75%. But they are giving one more chance to the student that they should have 65% and above, and 75% or below students can also write the end semester examination. Each semester may be condoned by the college academic committee. If you have less than 65%, then you should have then you will have to pay the condonation fee. Stipulated fee shall be payable for condoning of the shortage of attendance. Condonation fee for each student is 300 rupees. So I have heard that so many colleges are asking more than 10,000, 20,000, 30,000 like that. So don't pay that much amount, because for attendance you can pay up to 300 to 10,000. 10,000 is for attendance you can pay. If you have less attendance, if you have 20%, 30%, then you can pay up to 10,000. But if you're asking more, then request them to reduce. If you have any health issues, you can submit your reports and the test reports, or if you have any serious issues, then you can all the documents related to your health issues, so they'll understand. But don't pay more than 10,000, because that will be 10,000 is valid, I think 10 to 20% if attendance you have, up to 30% also you have the attendance, then you can pay up to 10,000. More than that you don't have to pay. Okay, they'll charge only 300 rupees as you can see on screen. Credit fee shall be payable for condoning of shortage of attendance. Condonation fee for each student is 300 rupees. They have clearly mentioned 300 rupees. Then why should you pay 20,000, 30,000 like that? So ask them then why they are charging that much amount. 10,000 is valid for 30%, 20% attendance. Okay, shortage of attendance below 65% in aggregate shall in no case be condoned. So up to 65% is valid, you can attend your examination. But to make sure that you are having an satisfactory notes from your staff, college staff, about your attendance, how much percentage of attendance you have, and how to fulfill that attendance, because more days you have. So from tomorrow you can go college and you can attend. So the day by, if you go college regularly, day by day the attendance will also increase, so you don't have to pay money if you fulfill the 65% requirement. Student whose shortage of attendance is not condoned in any semester are not eligible to take their end examination of that semester. Okay, they get detained and their registration for that semester shall stand cancelled. They will not be promoted to the next semester. So if you don't pay, if you don't have 75% attendance, then they won't promote you to the next semester, and also they will detain you. They will not be promoted to the next semester. So maintain your attendance. From tomorrow you have to go to college, you have to fulfill or 75% or at least 65% attendance you can fulfill if you go regularly. They may seek re-registration for all those subjects registered in that semester in which the student is detained by seeking readmission into that semester. Then if you detain, then you have to readmit in that semester. If there are any professional elective and or an open elective, the same may also be re-registered. Okay, A student fulfilling the attendance requirement in the present semester shall not be eligible for readmission into the same class. So the conclusion of this notification is, to attend this coming semester end semester examination, you should fulfill 75% of attendance. And also, if you have any health issues, you can submit your documents. You can pay consultation fee up to 300. Minimum attendance 10%, 20% attendance. Then you can submit your all documents and you can pay up to 10,000. But more than that, you shouldn't pay. So, and 65% is also fine. If you have 65%, you can attend your examination, but you have to satisfy that your college is giving you a note that 65% is valid. So make sure to confirm from your college, and you can request them to increase your attendance, because they can increase your attendance. Next is for JNTUH attendance requirement for B.pharmacy. Just now we saw for B.tech R18 regulation. Now we will see the R17 regulation, students. B.pharmacy R17 regulations. Attendance in all classes, same notification for B.tech and B.pharmacy, same percentage they should have to attend the end semester examinations. And if you have 65% also okay, but below that, if you have 20, 30, 40%, then you should talk to your college staff about this attendance issue, and you can resolve. If you have any health issues or any other issues, you can resolve there. But they are asking to pay you pay fee for this condemnation fee, then you have to pay 300 to 10,000 you can pay. Shortage of attendance below 65 in aggregate shall in no case be condoned. So 65% is valid, but below 65 you have to pay. Students whose shortage of attendance is not condoned in any semester are not eligible to take their end semester examination of that semester. So if you have less attendance, then they won't allow you to attend the next coming semester examination, and they will detain you. A student fulfilling the attendance requirement in that present semester shall not be eligible for readmission into the same class. Okay, so make sure to fulfill attendance. You have to go regular college. So if they are asking about money, if they are asking 20,000 or 30,000, then make sure that you are putting your money in right place. So just ask them, request them to increase your attendance. If you have any serious health issues or any other serious problems, then you can talk to your staff, college staff. They'll understand. But if you do not do anything, then you might suffer. You have to pay more money. So this is the latest update from JNTUH about attendance. So many students are asking about this JNTUH attendance detention this year. So for B.tech and B.pharmacy, clearly they have mentioned 75% you should have to write end semester examination. But they have given a chance that 65% is also valid. But you should confirm with your college staff about this notification and what is the procedure they are following. So this is the latest update from JNTUH. Hope you guys find this video informative. If you have any queries, just comment down below. Thank you for watching.